Market opens, one candle, that's the whole chart.
And most people never look at it that way. They open a finished chart at the end of the day, see the move, and quietly tell themselves they would have caught it.
I call bullshit.
So we built the thing that takes that excuse away.
This is the MarketPulse live chart. It runs in your browser. No account, no API key, nothing to install.
And the new piece, the one this video is actually about, is replay.
Press replay and the chart snaps back to the opening bell. One candle far left. The rest of the session is empty.
Then you walk it forward, one bar at a time, arrow key or the step butts.
The day rebuilds itself left to right exactly the way it happened. No spoilers, you only ever know what the market knew at that bar.
Let it run at half speed, or 5 times, or freeze on a single candle, and just sit with it.
And when something catches you, scrub back and read it again. The scale holds still while you do. Nothing stretches, nothing jumps under your hand.
That's the gap between reviewing a chart and reliving a session.
Here's why that matters, and it is not about picking winners.
Hindsight lies to you. A finished chart hands you the answer and hides the exact moment you'd have had to decide, with no idea what came next.
Replay puts you back in that moment. You make the call before the next candle prints, then you find out.
Do that 100 times and you stop guessing about your own discipline. You've got a record of it.
The rest of the chart is built for the same job.
The crosshair snaps to candles open, high, low, or close, and color codes which point you grabbed. So you're reading a real number instead of eyeballing it.
Mark your entries, pull trend lines that snap to the wicks. Drag them, delete them. They save per symbol in your browser.
Nothing leaves your machine.
EM as the TTM SQUEEZE volume. Every one of them measured on the time frame you're actually looking at.
That should be obvious. It wasn't. It used to show daily EM as on a 1-minute chart, which is a number that means nothing. We fixed it, because a tool that quietly lies to you is worse than no tool.
1 minute up to weekly, stocks and crypto, same chart, same rules.
Now the part we don't skip.
This does not tell you what to buy. It's educational, it is not financial advice, and there's no real money anywhere in it. Paper prices are not a real fill.
Most options trades lose. Survival is the actual skill. Anybody selling you certainty is selling you something.
Which brings us to the only ask in this video.
The whole thing is free right now. Every feature unlocked. No tier, no card, no trial clock ticking.
Master it while it's free. When our financial licensing comes through, MarketPulse goes subscription only.
Not because we want to gate it, because by then the app proves itself, so we don't have to.
Links in the description. Go replay yesterday.
Quantum Melanin Media.